Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the tooth suitability and reviewing radiographs to measure root length and remaining dentin. Once done, choose a titanium post diameter and length that preserves at least 1/4 of apical gutterpercha and maintains 3 to 5 mm seal. Begin removing gutterpercha with heated instruments or solvent, then shape the canal with the corresponding post drilled to the calibrated depth. Make sure to irrigate and dry the canal before a test fit of the post. With the canal prepared, try the titanium core and verify a passive, non-binding fit and proper coronal orientation. Adjust length by trimming if necessary. Then follow the adhesive sequence for metal. Clean the post, apply metal primer or bonding agent, and prepare dentin with adhesive protocol suited to your cement. Mix dual-cure resin cement, apply into the canal using a canal tip, and seat the post with steady pressure. Remove excess cement promptly, and light cure coronal aspects. After cementation, build the titanium core using incrementally placed composite to avoid voids and to control polymerization shrinkage. Shape anatomy to support the final crown. Once core buildup is complete, take a radiograph to confirm post seating and absence of voids or overhangs. Finish and polish margins, then proceed to crown prep. If you encounter mobility or poor retention, do not cement a definitive crown. Remove the post. Re-evaluate canal taper or debris, and consider repreparation or an alternative post system as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.